Wow, money. Sana all. We need treats. Ay, ala, meron na silang pera. Ako na lang wala. Well, thank you. Thank you for the money. Uy, tara, next house naman. Baka bigyan tayo ng maraming candies dun sa next house. Tara, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh, maga, meron tao dun. Dun tayo mag-trick or treat sa babaeng yun. Hello! Harley, rich. Wow! Sana all rich. Trick or treat. Happy Halloween. Ah, what? Huh? Oh my God! Wow, cake! Wow, my cake! My cake, my friend. Me, I want cake! Thank you! Thank you sa cake, my friends. Binigyan tayo ng cake. Grabe, mas maganda pa to kaysa sa candy. Buti na lang dito kami nag-trick or treat. What is that? Meron pang isa. Me. Me, is that cookie? Cookie ba yan? Binigyan niya ako ng donut. Donut, my friend. Umaga na mga friends. Let's eat candies. Ay, hindi na natin mga candies na nakuha natin ngayon habang nag-trick or treat. Wow! Oh my God! Ang ganda nung house nung friend. Ay, wait lang. Ba't yung boses ko? Yummy cake and milk. Okay, so magti-trick or treat ulit kami ngayon mga friends. At ito, nagbabalik na kami sa maraming bayan. Mag-trick or treat kami isa-isa neto. Isa-isain namin to mga friend. Ay, mali. Next street na nakapag-trick or treat na tayo dito mga princess. Sa ibang street naman. We are here in the next street at walang bahay. Sige, balik na lang tayo. Hello, ma'am. Trick or treat. Happy Halloween. Give us candy or milk. Ma'am, where are you? What, ma'am? Candy. We want candy. Hello, ma'am. Zia, single. Sana all single. Ma'am, trick or treat. Happy Halloween. Oh my God, is that ice cream? Meron siyang ice cream. We want ice cream. Me, look. Oh my God, may ice cream siya. Bibigyan na tayo ng ice cream, mga friends.